Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can change spark plugs in Honda CR-V 2014. These are the tools you will need. So a 10 mm plug socket so you can open the spark plug cover. Power tools you don't need, but I'm using it here. You can use a simple wrench like so, and obviously you will need dielectric grease. Yeah, these are the tools you will need to open the spark plug. The link is in the description. Out of these two, you will need just one. So for Honda CR-V 2014, it's a 14 mm socket. It's a deep socket, as you can see, and at the end there is a rubber that locks the spark plug while you are taking it out, so it becomes very easy to pull out the spark plug. And of course you're gonna need the spark plugs. They are from NGK Laser Iridium. Again, the link is in the description. So yeah, let's get started. So there was no minute minder or reminder of that sort, but I just wanted to get it changed because, as you can see, it has hit 125k, and just as a maintenance I need to get it done. So yeah, let's get under the hood. Here I am. So yeah, so these are the 4 screws: 1, 2, 3 and 4. Once the spark plug cover is out, you can open these tabs one by one. I'll show you for one, and then you can repeat the process for these 4. Yeah, so you have to press the tab here and then pull using the side knobs. Don't pull the wires like this. So yeah, once the tabs and the wires are out, we have to open these 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, the bolts are out. Now we can start taking out the plugs. So yeah, hold it, and yeah, this is where you need to apply the dielectric grease, which I'll be showing you in a minute. It was too tight. It was not easy to take it out. Open the bolt. It was not easy. Now I have all the new spark plugs here. So there are 2 places you need to apply the dielectric grease on. So one is a thin coat on this one. Using the earbud, you can apply a thin coat on the ceramic part. A thin coat is required on all the 4 spark plugs. And similarly, you can have here the spark plug boot. So inside the boot. Yeah, so once everything is set up, just tighten the bolts, put the wires back in, and then close the door, and you're done. Okay, so the moment of truth, and here we go. Wow, So yeah, this is how you change the spark plugs on Honda CR-V 2014. Thanks for watching.